Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup look. Now firstly I need to apologise because I know it's been like 3 weeks since I haven't done a video, but I've been in India and we had a family wedding. I did vlog the trip but my camera broke halfway through. I had my backup camera, but like if I decide to post it you'll know why I don't want to post it. I had such a bad experience. Like basically I lost my suitcase, or the airline lost my suitcase, and like all my makeup, all my suits, everything was in it. And so like that put like a big downer on my holiday because I've got the suitcase back now, but that was after the holiday. So I had to like borrow other people's makeup, and of course people don't do their makeup or have all the essentials that you need, like that I needed basically to do my makeup and for me to feel comfortable. I had no straighteners, I had no I had nothing basically. Yeah, so I had nothing, so it put like a real downer on my holiday. Like I didn't want to vlog, I didn't want to be in the vlog. I vlogged everything else, but when it comes to like filming myself or anything like that I didn't want to do it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to post it, but we'll see. Okay, so yeah, so let's just get started. So the very next day after I landed, I went and got new makeup. Now that was probably a bit of a rush, like I shouldn't have done that, but I just needed like essentials and I just needed like my stuff back. Yes, I had makeup at home because I didn't take everything, but I took like 3 Ziploc bags full of makeup, so of course I was disappointed. And my palettes and like my primers, my foundations, everything, my concealers, they were gone, and I was just like so heartbroken. But anyway, I guess it taught me a bit of a lesson not to take so much makeup when you go on holiday. But it was a family wedding, so like okay, listen, I need to start rambling and just get on with this makeup video. So like I said, I was getting new stuff and I picked up this Obsession by Makeup London baking primer. Oh, if you can see. Okay, I don't think I know how to use this camera but it's basically that. You can see it because I don't think I've got autofocus on and I don't really know how to turn it on. So I'm just going to put that all over my face. I'm sorry if I'm looking like away from the camera at times, but it's just because I've got myself on my TV so that I can see what's going on. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with concealer and prime my under eyes so that it's ready for my eyeshadow application. Okay, so I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define. Oh god, guys, I am so sorry that this is not focusing. And then I'm going to use a Sigma F75. So what I'm going to do is just put it onto the back of my hand, like so. And then I'm going to pat off. Take off the excess onto the brush and then start with my under eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to use the Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 palette in Innovation. So yeah, I'm gonna try and stick to just one palette because a lot of people don't have several different palettes to do makeup looks with, so it makes it harder for people when they want to follow a makeup look. And this is a very cheap, inexpensive eyeshadow palette, and it's got quite a range of different colours in here. I did buy 3 different palettes from Revolution, so if you do want to go out there and grab that you can. But today I'm going to just try and stick with this one palette. If I do use something else, it will be out of the other Revolution palettes. And again, I will show you that. Okay, so in fact, I am actually going to go in with the MAC 217 brush. And I'm going to to go in with this shade here because I like the look of it, so just that one there. By the way, sorry for my nails. Like, I've never had no nail extensions in my life. Not life, but in like, I'd say the last 3 or 4 years. But I feel like my nails needed a break, so I decided to give it to them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that colour straight into the crease. I'm going to put it in like that, and I'm going to blend it out using my E40 by Sigma. Same brush and blend. Sorry, the E40 by Sigma and blend. At this point here, I don't want to use the brush and blend all the way into the corner of my eye. I want to concentrate on where I place the product and blend out there. Okay, and then we're going to use this brown here, and I'm going to change my brush, and I'm going to use the tapered blending brush, which is by Sigma, and it's an E45 brush. Looks like this. Okay, and I'm going to concentrate and put that in like the corner just here. So I'm going to do V motions and just place it in the corner. Again, tapping off the excess of this brush because I'm going to use this now to blend out that. Then I'm going to get my concealer in C8 and again put it on the back of my hand and get my concealer brush, which is by Sigma, and it's the F75 brush, this one. Okay, and I'm gonna do like a cut crease. So I've let that dry a little bit just because I feel like it makes it set better. Then I'm going to go in with, okay, so I'm going to go in with this colour here. This one. That one. And I'm going to use my Zoeva 234 brush. My Sigma E35 brush, and I'm going to blend it a little bit. Then I'm going to use Strobe of Genius by NYX because I haven't got a glitter shade in that palette. So I'm going to use the best shade in here, which is this one in the middle, as a base for that. I'm going to use a bit of Fix Plus on my shade brush. Okay, and then I'm going to use the Pro HD palette by Revolution and go back in with the crease colour and just blend over. So the eyelashes that I'm using today are the Eyelure Most Wanted in Feel the Need, I guess? I don't know. They're shit. Like, they don't feel like they're real hair, or I don't know. Maybe they're not real hair. But it's like stiff, so like it takes you ages to put them on your eyes. So I don't know, but we'll see how I feel with these on. I'm going to use a MAC 213 brush, and I'm going to just go in from the corner of my eye to the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Revolution palette, and I'm going to go in with the Crease colour, which is this one here. That's the first shade that we used. You don't have to do that, you can go in with any colour, but I just felt like I want to go in with the red and join it up from the end to the other side. Okay, I don't like that colour, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the brown. Okay, can you see how I smoked the waterline? You just like, the tip of your brush is slightly touching the inside of your waterline. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the corner of a baby wipe. I'm going to fold it like this, so it's a straight line, like that. And I'm going to go in and knitting up this edge here and this edge here. Okay, so I've done that, and you can see how it instantly looks a bit more cleaner. Right, so I'm going to zoom it out. Okay, so I'm going to first go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade, I think it's pure orange. No, just orange. I'm going to go in with that under eyes. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the Revolution and the shade C11. Foundation stick by Revolution in the shade F14, and it looks like this, and I'm going to use this as contour. By the way, to blend out everything, I'm using the MAC 187 brush. Go in with my foundation, and I'm going to use the MAC C5 Face and Body, and then I'm going to use the Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Armani too, and that's in the shade 625. And then I'm going to use the Real Techniques brush to place on the product. Okay, then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to just dab my face. This will help blend the product in your face, and it will also get rid of the excess product, so it will stop your face from looking so cakey. Okay, I've done that. Now I'm going to go back in with the contour and with the concealer, but with the concealer this time I'm going to use a lighter shade, and it's going to be shade C8. And the same contour stick. Then for powder, because I don't like the shine on my face, like how oily and glowy it looks. It doesn't look glowy to me, it looks oily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Rimmel Insta Fix and Matte, and I'm going to use a Real Techniques blending sponge, but it's got the angle on it. And I'm going to instantly take that off because I don't know if you remember what I told you about this product in my previous video. And then I'm going to use the Rimmel, not Rimmel, sorry, but I don't like using any other blush, bronzer, so I'm going to have to use an expensive one. It's not, okay, it's expensive, but it's only one product, guys. Yeah, I'm going to use the Hula by Benefit, and I'm going to use my MAC 217, or no, 198 brush, I think. The numbers have come off. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Stray palette, and I'm going to use the Sigma F15 brush, and I'm going to use the middle shade, so sorry, this shade. It's my favourite shade. I love it. Okay, hi guys. So this is the completed look. Okay, so I just went away and I put on the Revolution lip gloss in the matte collection, and it's called On Display. And I actually really like this colour, so okay, so just to finish off the look, I'm going to finish off with this Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray, and I'm using this just because it's like a cheap alternative to like MAC's Fix Plus, and we are doing like an affordable makeup look today, so yeah. I literally drenched my face in it because I love like the feel of it. No, but like seriously, I just think it's so good because it's like hydrating, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Comment below and let me know what you think of it, and let me know what you want to see in the future. I am going to be doing a lot more makeup tutorials, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!